Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Shue and Marilee Fiebig are catching feelings and flights. The couple, who got together after their exes Amy Robach and T.J. Holmes went public with their affair, were seen at the airport on Saturday. In photos obtained by Page 6, Fiebig and Shue were seen rolling their luggage through the crowd at JFK and standing in line to go through TSA. The mom of one was dressed casually for the outing, wearing a black jacket, leggings and sneakers. The Melrose Place alum, 56, also dressed down, wearing a white t-shirt, blue jeans, a black jacket and sneakers. It's the second time the pair has been spotted together in public since Page 6 exclusively revealed that they were dating early last month. On December 8, Shue and Fiebig were seen getting into his green Jeep together with 2 cats. Just 3 days prior, we broke the news about their romance, which began after they bonded over the traumatic experience of their cheating exes, Holmes and Robach, who are now in a relationship. Page 6 was told that the Gracie actor and the immigration lawyer started dating over the summer. It turned into something else, and they're connected over their values. It's bigger than the affair now, one source told us. They're not heartbroken and sad, said the insider of Shue and Fiebig. Everyone has moved on. Page 6 also exclusively reported that Shue and Fiebig were not close before they became romantic. T.J. and Amy were, initially, work friends, so they'd all hang out here and there, but Fiebig and Shue weren't that close, an insider told us. Holmes and Robach's affair first made headlines in November 2022 after photos surfaced of them getting cozy together around NYC. Though the axed GMA co-hosts were married at the time, they later denied that they were cheating on Fiebig and Shue. To be clear, we were outed as being in a relationship, but everyone else thought we were being outed as adulterers, being outed as cheating on our spouses, and it wasn't the case, Holmes, 46, claimed on the first episode of their Amy and T.J. podcast last month. We both at that point were in divorce proceedings. Robach, 50, claimed they allegedly had attorneys and mediators, and were in the middle of divorces. Holmes tied the knot with Fiebig in 2010. They share daughter Sabine, 11. They settled their divorce in October 2023. The former CNN correspondent is also dad to daughter Brianna and son Jaden with ex-wife Amy Ferson. Robach and Shue also wed in 2010 and their divorce was finalized in March 2023. She shares 2 daughters with ex-husband Tim McIntosh.